Good day, friends. Today we will be talking on maximum likelihood estimation, in short, MLE, advocated by Professor Ronald A. Fisher of England. I shall take a step-by-step approach. It's very popular in ISI and JAM exams. So let us talk on maximum likelihood estimation. What is MLE? A method to estimate unknown parameters of a distribution. So it's a parametric estimation process. We know the distribution, we need to estimate its parameter. Choose parameter values that maximize the likelihood. I shall talk about likelihood later. It's widely used in statistics, econometrics, machine learning. Very frequent in ISI and JAM exams. The idea is choose theta that makes observed data most probable. So that's the idea advocated by Professor R.A. Fisher, that choose theta that makes the observed data most probable. That's the key idea. Statistical setup. Let x1, x2, xn be IID random variables, a sample from a distribution. Join PDF, PMF depends on the unknown parameter theta. We know the distribution fx theta or probability x equal to x given theta. The goal is to estimate n. So we need to first construct the likelihood function. L theta is product of fxi theta. If f is the density, or we can use the probability mass function also. So it's product of fxi theta, and then treat data as fixed, treat xi as fixed, treat theta as the variable. So it's a function of theta. It's a function of theta, L theta. So we use the product, since xi, x2, x1, x2, xn are independent, we use the product form due to independence. Please note that likelihood is not a probability. It's a function of theta. It's a function of, we see it as a function of the parameter. It's the product of the densities, product of the PMS, that's right, but we treat xi's as the fixed values. So to do it, we take the log. We take the log of L theta, and we call it the log likelihood. Small l of theta is summation log of pxi theta, summation log of fxi theta. So that's the log likelihood. Converts products into sum. It's easier to use mathematics, easier to do the differentiations. Since log is a monotonic function, it's an increasing function. So value of theta that maximize capital L theta also maximize the log of capital L theta or the L theta or the log likelihood. So log is monotone, maximizer remains unchanged. So we differentiate small l of theta with respect to theta, take the derivative and equate it to 0, then solve for theta, called the likelihood equation, and solve to get the MLE. So that's the easiest process to find the maximizer. To find whether it's a maximum point or a minimum point, we need to take the second derivative, d12 d theta 2 of L theta. If theta is one parameter, then it's a univariate differentiation. Otherwise, we need to go to the Jacobian. We need to use the multivariate differentiation. So we take second derivative, and if it is less than 0, then surely it's the maximum. It's the maximum point at which the log likelihood is maximized. Or verify global maximum. Often skipped in exam if it is obvious. If it is obvious there is going a maximum, we need not do the second derivative. So let us do some examples. Say Bernoulli theta. So Bernoulli probability mass function is p to the power x, 1 minus p to the power 1 minus x. X takes value 0 than 1. LP is product of pxi, 1 minus pxi, pxi, p to the power xi, 1 minus p to the power 1 minus xi, product of I equal to 1 to n. And LP is sum of xi log p plus sum of 1 minus xi log 1 minus p. It's a straight cut taking the log of the capital L theta, product of the probability. So that's the Bernoulli case. Then we calculate the dl dp, take the derivative with respect to p, which is summation xi by p minus n minus summation xi by 1 minus p. Then we solve p hat to be 1 by n summation xi, which is x bar. So the maximum likelihood estimator in case of Bernoulli variate comes out to be average of the sample. Sample mean is the MLE of P. So that's the easy way to get the MLE, maximum likelihood estimation. Always some tips for ISI and JAM exams. Always write likelihood clearly. Take log before differentiating. No standard MLEs for Bernoulli. For Bernoulli, the MLE of theta is x bar. For Poisson, the MLE of lambda is x bar. For normal mean, the MLE of mu is x bar. So if we remember this standard maximum likelihood estimator, it will be useful for us. Boundary points may matter. If it is truncated normal or truncated Poisson, if we play with the boundary points, then the MLE gets changed. Thank you. I'll stop here.